Good morning everyone, welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. So this morning I'm going to teach you how to plant lemon trees. So first, of course, you have to choose the right one, which color is yellow. And then to begin, you massage the lemon so that when we pull off the seeds, it's going to be easy. Okay. Alright. Now after that, we're gonna cut this right like this. So we're gonna cut it in this part, not at the center, because we don't want the seeds to be cut out. So just a little. Okay. Then the other side too. And then we can massage again. Okay. Then we can cut it here slowly. So here are the seeds, guys. So after that, please prepare a cloth. Make sure it's not this one because it's kind of dirty. Cotton cloth. So we're gonna use 2 lemons today because we will make sure that, because not all these lemon seedlings will grow. Some of it will die eventually. That's why we're gonna use 2 lemons. Okay, so we got all the seeds so far. How many seeds have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So we have 19 seeds. So we're gonna use a dry cloth if we wanna remove the sticky part of the seeds. So this one is a dry cloth. Put it here. Done. Where is it? here is my garden, guys. So I have lemongrass, I have calamansi, I have bananas, I have pineapples too, guys. I have market calamansi as well over here. Here are my pineapples, as you can see. I have two bananas right here. Bananas. I also have a pine tree. This is surprising. I love planting. So what we're gonna do now, guys, is we're gonna put here so 3 seeds first here. 3 seeds. Okay. Okay, 3 seeds. So this is just a test, guys. We're gonna find out after 2 weeks if these lemon seedlings will grow. 3, 4. Okay. Alright. And right here. Okay. And then we're gonna just leave it as it is. Okay. So that it's, guys, for today's tutorial how to plant a lemon. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to like, leave comments, and share this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be updated with my newest uploads. Right.